Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get back icons on desktop on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, just go ahead on your desktop and right click on it. Then just go to View. Then just click on Show Desktop Icons. This is gonna show your desktop icons. But if you don't have any icons and want to add icons here, just right click on your desktop again. Now just go to Personalize. From here, just go inside Themes. From here, just scroll down. Under Related Settings, you're gonna find Desktop Icons. Just click on this. Then from here, inside Desktop Icons, just select whatever you want. Whatever you want to show on your desktop, just select those. Then just click on Apply, click on OK. And after that, just close all this. And just go to your desktop and you're gonna find everything that you want on your desktop. For example, this PC, Recycle Bin, Extra. And if you want any other icon, for example, Valorant, just select Valorant and drag it onto your desktop. And basically that is it. And basically that is how to get icons on your desktop on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.